Important safety equipment shouldn't be an afterthought, but based on our tests, that appears to be how a lot of automakers are treating headlights. We tested 21 small SUVs. Not a single one earned our good rating, and only 4 are available with acceptable rated headlights. Institute engineers evaluate headlights on our test track after dark, and we use sensors to measure how much light the vehicle is outputting on a straightaway and on 4 different curves. We also measure how much glare the low beams would create, and vehicles can earn extra credit in our tests with high beam assist technology. High beam assist automatically switches between low and high beams based on the presence of other vehicles. The best performing headlights in this group of small SUVs are available on a new model, the Mazda CX-3, and specifically on the Grand Touring trim. These headlights rated acceptable, and on almost all of our test configurations they had good or fair illumination. The worst headlights were on the Honda HR-V. The low and high beams on this vehicle failed to light up any of our 4 curves or the straightaway with adequate illumination. And the HR-V is one of 12 small SUVs that can't be purchased with anything other than poor rated headlights. A vehicle's price tag doesn't always correspond to the quality of its headlights, and many vehicles are available with different headlight combinations depending on the trim level and the options. Each combination could have a different rating, so it's important to look for one with the highest rating.